The agenda addressing the Israel-Palestine conflict towards peace, security and two-state stability has been adopted. The House will move to opening statements.
Israel's ongoing military operation in Gaza not aimed at Palestine. Israel was the first country recognized Palestine, but at Hamas aid.
The United States reaffirms its vision of a two-state solution achieved through direct negotiation, where both nations can coexist in peace and security.
I stand here today representing the Palestinian people, a people whose hopes, whose future and whose rights are bound to this hall of the United Nations. We gather at a time when the eyes of history are fixed on the land of Gaza and occupied the Palestinian territory.
In the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia strongly condemns all action that violate Ash-Shari'iyya, Ad-Dawliyya, including illegal statements, forced displacement and targeting of civilians.
An Israeli and Palestinian Desua. Jagdul Kupa support the novels defense the novels victims at an erosion to perform the croix.
Thank you, delegates. You all are noted. The House will now hear from the delegate of Germany.
Honorable Chair, distinguished delegates. The delegation of the Federal Republic of Germany rises to address this assembly with both moral responsibility and historical awareness. We, Germany, stand absolutely in support of the State of Israel.
Iran condemns the Israel occupation, settlement, expansion, and attacks on Gaza as grave violence of international law.
فلسطين يؤكد مجددا أن السبيل إلى السلام يمر عبر إنهاء الاحتلال. Qatar believes peace requires
The delegation of the peoples of the Republic of China to take the floor today to addressing the ongoing conflict between Israel and Palestine. A challenge to global conflict.
Firmly for the principles of peace, human rights, and international law in addressing the ongoing Israel-Palestine conflict. Sweden recognized the state of Palestine, a step taken in 2014.
Thank you, delegate of Sweden, for your fair and reasoned statement. The Diet invites the delegates of the United Kingdom to take the floor.
The United Kingdom firmly believes that peace, security and dignity must be restored for both Israel and Palestine. The UK recognizes Israel's right to defend itself against terrorism.
Thank you, delegate of the United Kingdom, for your detailed and responsible remarks.
Honorable Chair and distinguished delegate, the Republic of India stands firmly up for peace, stability and dialogue in the Middle East.
The Republic of Italy takes the floor today to express its steadfast support for the State of Israel and its right to exist in peace and security within recognized borders.
The Republic of South Africa stands firmly with the people of Palestine in their struggle for freedom, dignity and justice.
Honorable Chair and distinguished delegates, the Arab Republic of Egypt reaffirms its unwavering support for the Palestinian people's right to an independent state with
The Commonwealth of Australia recognized the tragic and deeply complex nature of the Israel-Palestine conflict.
Honorable Mesa, distinguished delegados, el reino de España considera que la paz fuera entre Israel y Palestina solo puede alcanzarse mediante una solución de dos estados.
Honorable Chair, distinguished delegates, the Federative Republic of Brazil expresses its deep concern over ongoing violence.
The delegation of the Republic of Turkey affirms that civilian protection must be paramount in the Israel-Palestine conflict.
The delegation of Pakistan has unwavering support for people, Palestine and their inalienable right of self-determination. Pakistan firmly believes that there is a lasting peace in the Middle East.
Unfolding the Israel-Palestine conflict. A responsibility as members of international community.
Deeply concerned by the escalating humanitarian crisis in Gaza and the West Bank resulting from ongoing hostilities.
Request the United Nations Office for the coordination of humanitarian affairs in collaboration with the Arab League to establish safe humanitarian.
The delegation of the United States, along with our co-sponsors, the United Kingdom and Germany, presents Draft Solution 1.2, a framework designed to ensure security, stability, and counter-terrorism cooperation in the Israel-Palestine region.
Recognize our nation's sovereign right to self-defense in accordance with the UN Charter.
Only member states are committed to vote. Observer states may not be participate in voting. We'll now move into voting procedures for Draft Resolution 1.1. Delegates are reminded that those marked as present and voting must cast either a yes or a no vote. Delegations marked only as present may abstain. Thank you, delegates. You may now